Don't miss this charming condo in the heart of Ghent. The open floor plan gives sight to a spacious living room and dining room with beautiful hardwood floors. A gorgeous fireplace, columns and moldings lend to the historical charm of the space. Large windows and a beautiful glass door provide access to a covered balcony great for relaxing with friends. The impressive dining room leads to a renovated kitchen with tiled floor, upgraded cabinets, granite counters and a cute spot for a bistro table. This rare 3-bedroom condo boasts a master suite with a private updated bathroom with tiled shower, a second bedroom with built-in shelving and additional places for storage, and a third bedroom that can double as the office while working at home. The washer and dryer are conveniently located in the unit. Reserved parking, secure entry and additional basement storage are additional features of this wonderful condo. Just minutes from EVMS and the shops and restaurants on Colonial Avenue.